Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm doing an unboxing. I ordered this wax warmer off Amazon and I want to see how it works, so let's open it up. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, this is a wax beads. One bag of that. Another bag. Another bag. It's 3. Oh my goodness. 4. What is this? What is this? Oh, the after spray. And the pre-wax. Okay. Oh, the little stick. Cool. And the wax. I don't know what is this. I don't know what this is. And user manual. And this is one-handed. Okay. Top. It's called Be Girl. Oh, another wax. Another pack of wax. Okay. This is the I don't know what this is. I guess the bucket you put the wax in? Or did this come out? Oh my gosh. Okay. It is a bucket with the wax in. So I think you just put in like that. And I guess you poured the beads in. Just want to let you guys see it and see everything that came with it. And this is the cute little top. Oh, it's broken. Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me? Oh, I'm so disappointed in Amazon. Wow. Oh, okay. Hopefully it still works. Like, wow, that's crazy. That's how it looks. Besides the broken top. Cool. And this is everything that came with it. And here's the box. So make sure if you get it from Amazon, make sure it's not broken. This is crazy. And I'm about to use it this morning before I get in the shower. And I'll give you my review once I get out. So it'll be a next video. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much. See you next time. Peace.